Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV, and I'm here standing outside the Milestone with Mr. Matt Smallbone, Regional Sales Manager. So what's so unique about this floor plan?
Our 370 FLMB is our front living mid-bunk. It's an industry unique floor plan that really utilizes that front living space, but still has the carrying capacity for a bunk room.
Here we are in the front of the floor plan. What do we want to point out?
These opposing slides really opens up the space. You're not feeling really tight in the front cap. It doesn't feel like a front cap. The next thing I like to point out is our entertainment center up front. You have everything you need right there with your integrated sound bar, as well as your fireplace. You can stay warm up here. You don't have to worry about chilling out.
What impresses me most is you're giving everybody these high-end amenities that would typically be an option, but they're going to be standard.
Absolutely. Everything you see in Milestone is 100% standard.
Let's start off with this beautiful island.
The solid surface just really gives it that high-end feel. Obviously, it's antimicrobial, scratch resistant. You don't have to worry about dinging it up if you're gonna put your coffee pot on there. Also, the single bowl stainless steel sink is a huge upgrade. Another thing here was gonna be our black fixtures, so I think that's a really modern, kind of that high-end feel. Right across from your sink, you have the 3 burners, so it's nice whenever you're transferring your pots. Underneath that, your oven. This is a residential style microwave, way bigger than anything that you're gonna see at this price point. This is a 14 cubic foot refrigerator. The really cool thing about this, you have an integrated wine cooler, and then underneath you have your crisper door with your freezer. Over here is a wireless charging port, so instead of having to fumble with cables, set your phone on there, it charges it.
There's still a massive amount of storage here throughout, and you guys have continued solid surface in this entire kitchen. Very well done.
What makes this so unique is obviously you're gonna have your bunks right here with your integrated washer dryer prep, but right above me you have a large loft area. You can use that for extra sleeping area or bags, whatever you want to. It really makes it very spacious and no wasted space. I like to point out the east-west bed with an integrated bed slide. Huge suite-like feel when you walk in here. No wasted space, just like all the rest of our coach. There's a lot of sleeping area here, and there's a lot of walk around space too. Another really big thing up here is gonna be all the storage. So you have a ton of storage that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Another really cool thing in here is you're gonna have TV prep. So if you wanna put a TV in the suite, you're already ready to go, just plug and play.
Really helped me understand what makes the 370 FLMB much different than other front living floor plans. If they want more information, what would you suggest they do?
First and foremost, I would go to our website, heartlandrvs.com. We have all of our floor plans, some good walk around videos right there.
Thanks everybody.